Hey there, BMX riders. Today we're taking a look at the Eastern Bike's Paydirt, a 20-inch freestyle BMX bike that's perfect for beginners looking to hit the streets and parks with confidence. This bike is built to last, with a robust one-piece chromoly frame that ensures exceptional durability and a long lifespan. The forged alloy front-load stem adds strength and precision to enhance your riding experience, while the high-tensile steel frame is engineered for toughness, making it suitable for various terrains and riding styles. With the Eastern riblet grips providing optimal grip and reducing hand fatigue on extended rides, and the Eastern Atom pedals offering a reliable design for confident and powerful pedaling, this bike is designed to give you an edge on the streets and in the parks. So, if you're 13 years old or older and ready to take your riding to the next level, be sure to check out the Eastern Bike's Paydirt. Make sure to click the link in the description to get your hands on this durable and high-quality BMX bike. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more BMX reviews and ride with confidence with the Eastern Bike's Paydirt.